Hey guys, I want to show you what my son made on his 3D printer. Now, there's a website called Thingaverse. I'm sure you've heard about it, but basically it's a website that has files that you can download and then print off stuff, and it's anywhere from, I don't know, there's everything on there. And if you don't find it, you can make it. So I want to show you what he made for me, and I want to see if they work. So let's begin. Okay, so I hope you can see that. My son 3D printed a file off of Thingaverse. And so we're going to try some of the bits or tips that he made. He made a tool, and he said he had to sand some of it off, like right here, I guess. But they just pop on there, like that. There we go. And I'm just going to take some scraps that I have. I have some Vegetan scraps, and I'm going to wet them. There we go. This is kind of thick, so I don't know if this is the best thing, but all right, so whoops. Okay, so we're gonna try this one first. It's like a triangle kind of thing. Looks pretty good, so let's try it. I'm going to, let's see. I'm gonna go grab my tool. Alright. Oh, looks like that one didn't go down deep enough. Let me see if I can make it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So if you wanted to make like a let's see. Sorry about that. Let's try this again. I'm just willy-nilly putting them on there. Okay, so I just did a whole bunch. So, I mean, it's not bad. That's the triangle one. So let's try the other one. So now we're going to try this one right here. It's like a triangle, kind of, sort of. But let's try this. Oh, that looks pretty good. Let's see. Yeah. That's the best one so far. Let me do another one. That one didn't really. Well, that looks awful, but you know what I mean. Like, this first one's pretty good. Second one, I didn't get that part. And I don't know what happened to the third one, but I like this one. So let's try the next one. Alright, so this one's like a, I'm sure there's names for these, but I'm going to spray this leather again. You have to keep it wet. Otherwise, it won't do it. It won't do correctly. Alright. Oops. Let's see. Oh. That's not bad. got things in the way. All right, so that's that one there. I mean, this leather is quite thick, so maybe on the thinner leather it would be better. But it's not bad. I like this one and that one. Let's try the other one. So this one's just like a square with, I don't know, a dot on each one, each corner. I sprayed this and, let's see. Oh, that's okay. It's not too bad. It's not as deep as the regular tools, but you know, if you're on a budget and you have a friend that has a 3D printer, they're not that bad. I'll put the file in the description below. Do they work? Yes, they work. Are they the best? No, but they can get you started. So he did print me off a bigger stamp. I've only tried it once. I'm going to try it with thinner leather. Right now I just have thick leather, but I'm anxious to see what that does. He did print off one that had a leaf on it, but it was so, you can barely see, you can't even hardly see the actual stamp. So he said he's going to reprint this one, I think. But I just wanted to show you what these stamps could do if that's all you had. You know, if you had a 3D printer or a friend that had one and you didn't have access to the tools on Amazon or Tandy or anywhere else, then you could use these on Vegetan. Are they the best? No, but they can get you on your way. So guys, I just wanted to show you real quick that you can use whatever you have available to you. Thank you. I want to say thank you to my son for making them. It's just another tool in the toolbox, so that's good. And thank you for watching.